Hi guys, welcome back. I'll be showing you guys how you can make an underwater look in Premiere Pro, a video editing program where, there will be an office and then it will be underwater, and then we're going to actually do some color grading so that it's blue, and then we're going to put bubbles as the overlay. We're going to distort the underwater look just a bit. So to do this, drag the office footage into the project and then drag it into the sequence, change the sequence settings, and then afterwards you look like this. It will look like this. And then drag the bubble footage into it, and then we're going to do color grading first. So let's make a new adjustment layer. File, new. Actually, we have to click on this one. File, new. Oh no. Okay, what we're going to do now is to directly color grade this. Effects, Lumetri color. Drag it into the footage that has the office. As the location. You can decrease the temperature so that it looks like this pretty much. It's cooler, and then it's going to be blue, just like the view of something which is underwater. And then we're going to go under the creative panel. So for the shadow tint, let's make it slightly blue, just like this. For the highlight, make it cyan, just like this. Then we're going to increase the size. Nah. Okay, this will do. Because what you see underwater is pretty much faded, so I increase the faded film amount, so it looks like this pretty much. And then let's add the distortion called the turbulent displace. Drag it into the footage. Ooh, now it's wobbly. So you can decrease the size so that it's not so wobbly, and then decrease the amount as well. Okay, this will increase the amount a bit. Increase the complexity a bit. Nah. The amount, decrease it a bit. And then for the size, decrease it. That would do. Let's add the overlay, which is bubbles. So all we have to do now is to, resize it. Do some tricks with the scale. Just like so. And then shorten it down, just like this. And then we're going to add some blending mode. So I personally pick the color dodge one, so the shading for the bubbles is more visible here. And then we're going to do some tricks with the opacity as well, so that the color of the bubble shading is not overpowering. And then we're going to go back to the footage of this office, and then what we're going to do now is to increase the contrast level. And you're going to go under the curves as well. Decrease the shadows and then increase the highlights. Just like this, so that, the lights from these windows are much brighter. Just like this, fancy. And then when you're done, you can even add some vignettes. Go to vignette. Reduce the amount so that there are these black areas at the edges of the footage. Last but not the least, let's animate the turbulence so that the underwater effects gets more realistic. So go to turbulent displace, and then all you have to do now is to turn on the stopwatch for offset, and then at the final keyframe you simply just increase the value to, let's say, this. You can also do the offset for the vertical amount as well. And that's it. That's how you can create this underwater look the bubbles are going up, and then you know, the wobbly property of the footage of this office adds up to the realistic side of the underwater look. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.